The Paingone Plus TENS Pen, a review. Hi, I'm Chris with AffinityHM.com, and today we're going to talk about TENS therapy, how it works, and also this brand new out on the market option that's portable. It operates off of AAA batteries and it works wonderfully. It's brand new in the US. There's been over 2 million sold around the world, and 98% of the people that buy one of these keep it, and they're keeping it for a reason, because it works. So stay with me. We're going to go through all of this and more, and here we go. So TENS therapy, TENS, it stands for transcutaneous nerve stimulation. Transcutaneous, fancy word for just meaning through the skin, and then it actually stimulates nerves where the pain is happening. And there's a couple of different ways to do TENS. One is the old way that is still effective. It's just that you've got wires, you've got electrodes, so you have to rebuy that stuff also. Buying those wires, buying the electrodes, and then carrying it and then hooking it up to your TENS unit, placing the electrodes where they go. Also, TENS therapy, standard TENS therapy like that, typically you would do it about 30 to 60 minutes, up to 4 times a day if you want to. And it's just, a little bit time consuming. With this new little unit, the Paingone Plus, it just makes things a lot easier, because you can throw this one in your purse, your pocket, your golf bag, maybe in the middle of the car, in the little carry-on, in the drink holder of the car. But it's easy to carry it with you. It's easy to carry it with you. You can just take it anywhere, and it makes it super easy. No electrodes, no wires. So what's happening with the transcutaneous nerve stimulation is actually the electrical impulse that the TENS provides sends a disruptive signal to that nerve, which sort of confuses the nerve from telling the brain this is pain. And also it will actually cause endorphins to go to the site of the pain, which will relieve the pain, at least for a while. The pain is relieved, and that's why TENS works, and so many people are using them all over the world. So when you receive your Paingone Plus pen, this is how you're going to receive it: in a box like this, where you're going to have the AAA battery that you need, of course the Paingone Plus pen, and instructions. And we definitely recommend read all of the instructions and follow them. There are a few people who should not be using the Paingone Plus pen. One would be anyone who has an implanted device like a pacemaker or something along that line. If you're actually using blood thinner medications, you shouldn't use the Paingone. Or if you are pregnant, you shouldn't use the Paingone. But putting the battery in is super easy. You notice that I'm just twisting the end of this out like this, and I've already got the battery in this one. There it is right there. Simple AAA battery, easy to replace. It just sort of goes right into the hole there. And then whenever you put this battery cap on, you just make sure the spring goes around the battery, and then place it in place and just screw the threads. Make sure it's not cross-threaded. Also, you don't want to tighten this too tight. It doesn't have to be super tight, just nice and easy, snug is good enough. Now next, whenever you're actually ready to use the Paingone, it's real important that 2 of your fingers are actually on this metal portion of the Paingone. This is how we're going to complete this electrical circuit. And they created a little place here for your fingers, so it makes it all very comfortable. You've got it in your hand, you've got the button right here. It's only going to provide the electrical stimulation out of the tip of the pen, and it will only happen also when you press the button. Now earlier we were talking about standard TENS units, and that you would use them for about 30 to 60 minutes 4 times a day. This one is totally different. It's portable, and it's going to do its job in just about 30 seconds. So let me give you a little demonstration here. I'm just placing it right here. I'm going to press the button, and as you can see my finger jumping. That's not me doing that. That's the Paingone Plus pen doing that. And so for 30 seconds, let's say my knuckle on my index finger was hurting. Well, I would just simply do this therapy right here for about 30 seconds. Again, it's sending that electrical impulse. It's confusing the nerve, and endorphins are going into that location to relieve the pain. So after 30 seconds of that, you're done. That's all there is to it. throw that in your pocket, in your purse, you're gonna be set. So where can I use the Paingone? You can use it on your back, your shoulders, your legs, your arms, your waist, your hands, pretty much anywhere there's pain. Where you don't want to use it is from the neck up, and of course, you know, those private areas, you certainly wouldn't want to use it there. But your back, your shoulders, your arms, your waist, you know, that's where a lot of pain is, in the knees, the waist, the back, the shoulders, elbows, hands, you know, with that arthritis, arthritic type pain. It's really good there as well. So this is it, the Paingone Plus pen. Super simple, super easy, super effective, brand new on the market in the US. So get you one. I'll put a link in the description down here below so that you can get your Paingone Plus pen. Please subscribe to our video, subscribe to our channel, like the video. We really appreciate all of the support, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Watch our next video. It's coming up right here next.